In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, save, and share Canva templates. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating professional-looking designs with ease. Whether you're working on presentations, social media graphics, or even book layouts. Today, I'll walk you through the process of duplicating a template, saving it with a unique name, and sharing it seamlessly with collaborators. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's jump in. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look for the Create a Design button. You'll find this in the top right corner of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up Canva's design search tool, which lets you browse through their vast library of templates. Next, in the search bar that appears, type the word book. This will filter the results to show templates specifically designed for book-related projects. It's a quick way to narrow down your options and find something that works for your specific needs. Take your time to scroll through the available templates. You can click on any design to preview it and get a closer look at the layout and style. Once you find a template that matches your vision, click on it to open it in the Canva editor. Now here's why this step is important. Canva automatically creates an editable version of the template for you, so you can start customizing it right away without affecting the original design. Before you make any changes, let's make a copy of the template to ensure the original stays untouched. To do this, go to the File menu located in the top left corner of the editor. From there, select Make a Copy. When you click this, Canva will open a duplicate of the project in a new tab. This is a great way to work on your version while keeping the original template intact. Now that you have your copy, let's rename it to keep things organized. Start by going back to the File menu. At the top of the dropdown, you'll see the title field, which will likely have a generic name like Book Template Copy. Click on that title field to edit it. Erase the default name and give it something meaningful, like Summer Reading Guide Draft. Once you've typed in your new title, press Enter to save it. Renaming your project not only helps you stay organized, but also makes it much easier to find later, especially if you're working with multiple designs. Now, let's talk about sharing your design with others. When you're ready to collaborate or show your work to someone, look for the Share button in the top right corner of the editor. Click on it and you'll see sharing options. You can choose to send a view link if you only want someone to see the design without being able to make changes. Or if you want them to edit the project alongside you, select the Edit Link option. Simply copy the link provided and send it to your collaborator through email, messaging, or however you prefer. And that's the entire process. So now you know exactly how to copy a Canva template, save it with a unique name, and share it with others for viewing or collaboration. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.